How to open YouTube audio library on your mobile device. To do that, first of all, open your YouTube application and then hit on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. From the top right corner, hit on the setting here and then go through the about. Now from here, select help and then hit on the search help and search for audio library. Now hit on the first option. Then if you scroll down, you will see a link. Simply hit on that. From here, hit on the create channel first of all. Once your channel is created, your YouTube audio library will be opened. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.